feet kiss the red dirt plain. See the poor man still stand tall, though the night did lean on all. Babylon build high wall, but their hearts of iron I no fall. Every chain of a brain of fear, when truth talk the end draw near. Tell me, how long you want hold we down? How long you want keep the crown? Make the fire start low then rise. Rasta, I can see true lies. Chains must break, chains must break. One good hand and a strong heart make. Chains must break, chains must break. Babylon road start crack and shake. Chains must break, chains must break. Me see the youth them caught in scheme, selling tomorrow for a broken dream. One little wage, one heavy load, still them walk that dusty road. But wisdom live in the cedar tree, and river sing in humility. Man a man and queen a queen, whole heap of pain must get clean. Tell me, how long you want hold we down? How long you want keep the crown? Make the fire start low then rise. Rasta, I can see true lies. Chains must break, chains must break. One good hand and a strong heart make. Chains must break, chains must break. Babylon road start crack and shake. Chains must break, chains must break. When the night get thick cold firm, every wound become a lesson learned. No palace built on stolen cry, no lie can live when truth walk by. We no born fi born no side, we born fi heal and endure. So when them call your name in vain, answer back and cut that chain. Chains must break, chains must break. One good hand and a strong heart make. Chains must break, chains must break. Babylon road start crack and shake. Chains must break, chains must break. From the dust, a new world wake. Chains must break, chains must break.
call. Liberation sound, it stand up tall. Make them know we can be bought. Babylon games, we done that part. Cornmeal days and a hungry place. Still we rise, man, never too late. Mind like stone, heart like fire. Keep one knife on the higher wire. Cause pressure turn diamond, yes it do. Same road rough, but it carry through. If you lose your way, hear this sound. It lift you up when you're down, down, down. Liberation sound, rise up, lift me out, lift me up. Liberation sound, strong now, whole earth rock when it chant out. Liberation sound, rise up, on deep truth, never stop. Liberation sound, come true, every man free when the rhythm move. See the youth them search for a sign. One good word could change them mind. Old man lean but the spirit straight. Still a below a brighter gate. No gold chain or set the soul. No empty mouth can fill the hole. Where you plan that go someday. So keep on move, no fall away. Cause every scar tell where you been. Every bruise can polish clean. When the night get long and cold, hold the fire, hold the road. Liberation sound, rise up, lift me out, lift me up. Liberation sound, strong now, whole earth rock when they chant out. Liberation sound, rise up, on deep truth, never stop. Liberation sound, come true, every man free when the rhythm move. Tell me who you serve when fear get loud. Who keep you head when the crowd get proud. Not the chain, not the lie, not the smoke in your eyes. The truth will walk beside you till the day you die. Liberation sound, rise up, lift me out, lift me up. Liberation sound, strong now, whole earth rock when it chant out. Liberation sound, rise up, bone deep truth, never stop. Liberation sound, come true, every man free when the rhythm move. Liberation sound, yeah man, yeah man. Carry we on, carry we on. Liberation sound, yeah man, yeah man. All that one thing, one song. Them say stay in a line, but me heart say move. Peer pressure on the road, still me find me groove. From Kingston Money to the broke down lane. One breath, one step, me rise through the rain. Mama say mind your spirit, papi say hold your ground. When them try to box me in, me turn the thing around. Me not about to fear, me not sell me soul. A rebel lord know how to keep control. Brethren, listen close, life rough, still we ride. If the wave get wild, we surf the tide. Little more faith, little more fight. Jump put fire inside, we make wrong right. Rebel heartbeat, rhythm in me chest and it never retreat. Rebel heartbeat, stand up, stay sharp and me not accept defeat. Nah, nah. Them want quick praise, me want to wine. Me read the whole book, then me draw me line. Every scar tell story, every tear teach grace. Every fall in a the mud still add to the place. Look on the mirror, see a lion face. Not because me perfect, but me keep me pace. When hunger talk loud and doubt get bold, me feed the light from the fire me hold. Brethren, listen close, life rough, still we ride. If the wave get wild, we surf the tide. Little When the night too long and the crowd get cold, remember your name is a drum in your soul. Not every road smooth, not every dream sweet, but the wise man still dance with beer cut feet. Rebel heartbeat, rhythm in me chest and it never retreat. Rebel heartbeat, stand up, stay sharp, and me not accept defeat. Yeah, yeah. Rebel heartbeat, one life, one love, and we keep the heat. Say truth afraid gunman, but truth can't dead ya man. He'd walk barefoot through the lane and leave shame in the rain. Babylon built pan fear and tax, pan broken backs and bent up tracks. But every lie waiting me know, when conscience beat it start for sure. If you sell out soul for crown, you go wear a hollow sound. Tell me who gon' feed the fire when the poor man lift him higher. Truth and power, truth and power, truth and power. Lie them crumble every hour, every hour. Stand up firm, no bend, no bow. Truth and power, right here now. See the elder with the cracked out hand, still plant up in a hard island. One seed can split a stone, when enough good heart them grow. Me read life in the market, face in the schoolyard, in the carter's place. Who get quiet, who get hurt, that is the price behind each word. If you sell out soul for crown, you go wear a hollow sound. Tell me who gon' feed the fire when the poor man lift him higher. Truth and power, truth and power, truth and power. Lie them crumble every hour, every hour. Stand up firm, no bend, no bow. Truth and power, right here now. No gold chain can chain the mind, no palace wall can hide the time. Marcus call Selassie vibe, when the right thing live, the wrong thing die. So walk good with your head held high, let no grudge block out your eye. If your spirit stay clean and bright, even night have to give way to light. Truth and power, truth and power, truth and power. Lie them crumble every hour, every hour. Stand up firm, no bend, no bow. Truth and power, right here now. Yeah. Mind them words and keep it real. What is wrong? Time reveal. Truth and power, truth and power, truth and power. Every hour.
Yeah, my man said, the man said. How like the man said? Race!
Morning light and a zinc fence. Dust pan me shoes but me still press on. Man get low, life get intense. Still me heart beat like a lion song. Mama says son, no bout to fear. River cut stone but it can't stop flow. Pain come close then it disappear. When me know me root me start to grow. Every bruise teach you wisdom. Every fall make me wise. If the road get rocky, darling, watch me rise, watch me rise. Rise again, rise again. Stand up strong, me brother. Rise again, rise again. Storm can't last forever. Rise again, rise again. Soul too hot for dead. Rise again, rise again. Hold the fire in your head. Some man chat loud, but them spirit in. One full plate never plant no seed. Me learn say the war start deep within. One clean thought can beat whole greed. Me see old man on the corner bench, eyes like a river, mouth full of truth. Him say pick up your load, no quarrel with trenches. Even barefoot youth can climb from suit. Every bruise teach you wisdom. Every fall make me wise. If the road get rocky, darling, watch me rise, watch me rise. Rise again, rise again. Stand up strong, me brother. Rise again, rise again. Storm can't last forever. Rise again, rise again. Soul too hot for dead. Rise again, rise again. Hold the fire in your head. When the night get long, mind outlive the pain. When the well run dry, still there is rain. No chain too strong for lock a name. No shade too deep for heights on flame. Oh! So if you tremble, can hear no. Put your hand on your chest and feel life of ways for humble and clear road. But the spirit was born to heal. Rise again, rise again. Stand up strong, me brother. Rise again, rise again. Storm can't last forever. Rise again, rise again. Soul too hot for dead. Rise again, rise again. Hold the fire in your head. Yes. I denounce her. Them a build them tower high, reaching for the sky. But foundation weak, man, gonna Jah plant fire in a chest. Teach me how to stand the test. When them say bow, me say nah. Holy pa chains, still me rock. Every man born fi rise, looking at your own two eyes. No sell your name fi gold. Real strength living at the soul. Fight for freedom, one heartbeat. Fight for freedom on the street. Fight for freedom, hold your ground. Babylon can't turn we round. Fight for freedom, sing it loud. Freedom walk with humble crowd. Fight for freedom, now you see. Nobody own your destiny. Babylon love split the link. Fill your mind with fear and stink. Tell you run from your own shadow, while the river go deep and slow. But me learn from stone and tree. No rush life, let life be. River cut rock, calm and true. That same water live in you. Every wound teach wisdom too. Every dark night make morning new. If you fall, get up again. Make your pain become your gain. Fight for freedom, one heartbeat. Fight for freedom on the street. Fight for freedom, hold your ground. Babylon can't turn we round. Fight for freedom, sing it loud. Freedom walk with humble proud. Fight for freedom, now you see. Nobody own your destiny. We not born fi live in cage. Soul to wild fi little rage. Drop the grudge, lift the mind. Human kindness is the sign. No king higher than the light. No wrong stronger than the right. When one love stand up as one, darkness no, say it done. Fight for freedom, one heartbeat. Fight for freedom on the street. Fight for freedom, hold your ground. Babylon can't turn we round. Fight for freedom, sing it loud. Freedom walk with humble proud. Fight for freedom, now you see. Nobody own your destiny. So me walk with faith and fire. Truth and bread from me desire. Hear me voice, clear and plain. Freedom live in your name. Freedom live. Oh yeah. Yeah. Iron voice speak, hear the elder in me. When life get crooked, keep your spirit free. Man fi plant good seed in a barren ground. Even if them laugh, truth not drown. Me learn from the rain pon the zinc roof. Every little drop bring a bigger proof. Take your earth and shape it to a hymn. One through the fire, come out bright and trim. So when the road get rough and the load feel tough, stand up brother, stand up, faith are the real muscle stuff. Iron voice speak, hold firm. Iron voice speak, not turn. Iron voice speak, when the world swing wild, stand like stone, stand like child. Iron voice speak, place clear. Iron voice speak, them here. Iron voice speak, deep words in a you bone. You know walk it alone. Yeah, never sell your name for a quick small gain. Can't buy peace with a pocket full of change. Real power hide in a humble mind. One good deed leave whole Ocean kind, me see man chase shade, miss the morning sun. But every true step make a journey done. If your heart still beat, you still have time. Climb with grace and you reach your prime. So when the night get long and your joy feel gone, lift up your head, sing your own strong song. Iron voice speak, hold firm.
Iron voice speak,
Now turn.
iron voice speak,
When the world swing wild, stand like stone, stand like giant. Iron voice speak, blaze great.
iron voice speak,
Them here,
iron voice speak,
deep words in a you bone. You now walk it alone. Listen now, your bruise now mean defeat. Every scar a drum beat on your feet. Yesterday tough, but today you rise. See through the storm with open eyes. No beg permission for be yourself. No trade your soul for no borrowed wealth. If your voice feel weak, let your heart talk loud. One good truth can lift a crowd. Iron voice speak.
iron voice speak,
Now turn.
iron voice speak,
When the world swing wide, stand like stone, stand like child. Iron voice speak, blaze wake.
iron voice speak,
Them here,
iron voice speak,
deep words in a you bone. You now walk it alone. So keep walk, keep pray, keep pace. You put fire in a your face. Iron voice speak, let the darkness retreat and leave wisdom in a the street.
Make them broke down wall, but we still stand tall. Bear up the seed, still beat through the fall. Them self here cheap, but the soul no buy. Seen too much storm to still ask why. Make no false prophet chat on me ear. I see the same chain dressed up in gold veneer. A wise man know when the Babylon call them. Why you bend low, why you lose it all. But me heart a burn like charcoal red. Tooth in my bones, it now go dead. We come for rise, not bow and scrape. Jah put courage in every way. No more oppression, no more. No more oppression, no more. We nah kneel down for the floor. No more oppression, no more. Free up, free up. No more oppression, no more. Them build up fear like a prison yard. Still the poor man smile that his strength hard. If you know your worth, then your chain get light. Sufferation end when you choose the right. Me say forgive, but me not forget. Every scar a lesson, every tear a bet. Life is a river, just keep it clean. Even rough water can wash your dream. Take a step forward, leave the dust behind. Open up your chest, let the sun find mine. We're not made for crawl, not made for bleed. We made for bloom from the buried seed. No more oppression, no more. No more oppression, no more. We now kneel down for the floor. No more oppression, no more. Free up, free up. No more oppression, no more. Listen now, your man, the wise still know. A broken wheel still can turn and grow. If the system's sour, we sweeten the road. Carry one another, lighten the load. Every little act, every honest hand. Build a better yard, build a better land. So when them come with the chain and lie, we answer with truth and a fiery eye. more oppression, no more. No more oppression, no more. We nah kneel down for the floor. No more oppression, no more. Free up, free up. No more oppression, no more. No more oppression, no more.
Justice road, see hungry face and heavy load. Babylon attack big law, but who defend the weak, me ask. Every step of a lesson, yeah. Every crack of a prayer in a heat. If your mind stay firm like stone, you no lose yourself, you come home. So me walk with faith, yeah. Even when the sky look gray, truth don't beg, it stand up straight. Come and know the gate. Justice road, hold me soul. Justice road, make me bold. When the crowd get cold and cruel, truth still rule, truth still rule. Justice road, lead me through. Justice road, me and you. Raise up high, no bow, no shame. Stand for right, call the name. Old man says, son, hear this now. Life a wheel and time a blow. What you plant, you reap one day. So me keep your true rough terrain. If your pocket full but your heart dead cold, you're rich like dust in a empty bowl. Better one clean step in a mud than 10 sweet lies and a borrowed blood. So me walk with faith, yeah. Even when the road feels strange, truth don't hide, it blaze through rain and wash out pain. Justice road, hold me soul. Justice road, make me bold. When the crowd get cold and cruel, truth still rule, truth still rule. Justice road, lead me through. Justice road, me and you. Raise up high, no bow, no shame. Stand for right, call the name. Seen too much people bend for bread, sell them conscience, lose them head. But love where true don't come cheap. It grow from roots, it go bound deep. So me clap one time for the